Hi everybody, Lori GLP-1 Journey in Review. So we're going to go over vacation. How am I doing on vacation? It's been 2 days. Yesterday yes, we did have some chicken Alfredo, but I only had a small portion and I had a small bit of ice cream. That was it. Today I didn't work out because I just was too tired. Trying to get used to the mattresses here and everything. My wife had to work, so we're just going to be starting our day about now. And it's already, let's see, what time is it? It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're pretty much just getting going. Not that great of weather outside, but it's not too bad. So we're going to do some shopping, get some walking in. Hopefully I'll be back to my workout and regular workout starting tomorrow for the rest of the week. That is my plan. And as far as eating out, yes, we're going to eat out every day because I'm really not going to do much cooking. We have some sandwich meat that we got. Yes, I know it's processed, but I'll just have like a half of a sandwich for lunch. We're going out to dinner. We have some friends coming in. We'll go get some fish. If it's a big piece of fish, we'll probably split it. If it's something that we shouldn't be eating, we definitely will be splitting it. Yes, we are planning on having some sort of dessert, maybe some ice cream. But one thing that we've learned from all of this experience is that, yes, you can have whatever food you want. Nothing is really off limits. But as far as the ice cream, 2-3 spoons tend to do it. You don't need to eat the whole pint. A pint isn't a serving. We used to always think that a pint was a serving or a half a gallon. So what if it lasts 2 to 3 days? It's not meant for the whole week, but we know better now, and it's just as delicious. But like I said, after a couple spoonfuls, satisfied. As far as snacking, I did buy some ear popcorn, but we're on vacation. I'm not going to give that up. Did a little bit of eating the popcorn today, just kind of waiting for my wife, just nothing else to do, nothing on TV, nothing to do. Her sister's here visiting, and she's been sleeping most of the day. So that's how we're doing vacation. The day after that, I'm meeting my brother for dinner, and it'll be the 5 of us. We usually go out for seafood. We try to do it on the water, so hopefully that won't be so bad. We tend to go for either some snapper or grilled swordfish or even some salmon snapper, that whatever they have fresh and whatever their daily specials are, that tends to be the best. And like I said, if it's a big piece, split it in 2. If we can't agree on what we're eating, we'll take some home since we're not really doing any cooking, and we will be having lunch on our own. We could have it the next day for lunch. Breakfast, we did buy a bunch of protein shakes. I really don't eat breakfast, but seeing that I'm on vacation, I may do a protein shake after I go to the gym. We'll have to wait and see. A lot of times it's 10:30, 11 by the time I get back, and I could pretty much wait till lunchtime. Again, it also depends on if my wife has to work or not. She works on the computer from wherever she is, so that's not a problem. She tries not to work more than 2 hours or so while she is on vacation, so again, that shouldn't be a problem. But we'll see how everything goes, what time dinner is, and what everybody else feels like. We're not really big appetizer people, so that's really not a problem. We don't really drink, so that's not a problem. We bought plenty of water. We brought our elemental electrolytes with us. I have sugar-free iced tea. I'm kind of addicted to that. That's one of my downfalls. We brought our own Keurig coffee pot so we could have our normal coffee. And we brought a thing of collagen with us, so everything else is pretty much normal. Again, trying to get a little extra workout. Definitely are getting some extra steps in. And we have one more day that it's going to be overcast and possible raining, and then we'll be able to spend some time on the beach or in the pool, having some fun and exercising. And that's how our vacation is going so far. We're going to have a couple of short videos showing it's okay to eat what you normally don't eat on vacation, as long as it's in moderation. So you'll be seeing those pop up from the restaurants. And I'm having a good time. Hopefully you guys are having a good week. If I forgot to say it, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I know it's a little late, but hey, better late than never. And if you have any tips for being on vacation or going on vacation, let me know. Again, this is a lifestyle. Don't change too much, just moderation. Don't give up foods that you normally would have, especially if you're going to Europe or any place that has special types of food. Don't give it up. It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle. So moderate, keep it in proportion. Just moderation is the key. Moderation is the key to everything. Don't give up on everything. And have a good day. A little windy out here. Hopefully the microphone picked up everything really nice.